Hey everybody, my name is Justin Momo. I am a professional pharmacist and founder of Pharma Friend Justin. My motive is to make people more informative and spread awareness about
COVID-19 vaccine types. What are the COVID-19 vaccine types? There are four categories of vaccine in clinical trials. The four main types of COVID-19 vaccines are whole virus, viral vector, protein subunit, and nucleic acid RNA and DNA. Some of them try to smuggle the antigen into the body, others use the body's own cell to make the viral antigen. In simple terms, there are four different types of COVID-19 vaccines type from these vaccines are made from. They are inactivated virus type COVID-19 vaccines, viral vector type COVID-19 vaccines, protein-based type COVID-19 vaccine, RNA type COVID-19 vaccines. Some of them try to smuggle the antigen into the body, others use the body's own cell to make the viral antigen. Whole virus or inactivated virus type COVID-19 vaccine. Many conventional vaccines use whole viruses to trigger an immune response. There are two main approaches. Live attenuated vaccine use a weakened form of the virus that can still replicate without causing illness. Inactivated vaccine uses virus whose genetic material has been destroyed so they cannot replicate but can still trigger an immune response. Both types use well-established technology and pathways for regulatory approval, but live attenuated one may risk causing a disease in people with weak immune system and often require a careful cold storage, making their use more challenging in low-resource countries. Inactivated virus vaccine can be given to people with compromised immune system but might also need a cold storage. For now, there are three types of inactivated virus type COVID-19 vaccines: Covaxin, Coronavac or Sinovaccine, Sinopharm. Covaxin, developed by Bharat Biotech, doses 2 injections, storage 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, efficacy 81% of efficacy rate. Coronavac, developed by Sinovac Company, doses 2 injections, storage 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, efficacy 51% of efficacy rate. Sinopharm, developed by Sinopharm's Beijing Institute of Biological Products, doses 2 injections, storage 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, efficacy 79% of efficacy rate. Viral vector type COVID-19 vaccines. Viral vector vaccine also work by giving cells genetic instruction to produce antigen, but they differ from the nucleic acid vaccines in that they use a harmless virus. Different from the one the vaccine is targeting to deliver these instructions into the cells. One of the viruses that has been often been used as a vector is adenovirus, which is caused the common cold. As with nucleic acid vaccines, our own cellular machinery is hijacked to produce the antigen from those instructions in order to trigger an immune response. Viral vector vaccines can be mimic natural viral infection and should therefore trigger a strong immune response. However, since there is a chance that many people may have been already exposed to the virus being used as vector, some may be immune to it, making the vaccine less effective. For now, there are three types of viral vector type COVID-19 vaccines: Covishield, Sputnik V, Janssen. Covishield, developed by Oxford AstraZeneca. Doses: 2 injections. Storage: 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Efficacy: 90% of efficacy rate. Sputnik V, developed by Gamaleya, Russia. Doses: 2 injections. Storage: -18.5 degrees Celsius in liquid form and 2 to 8 degrees Celsius in dry form. Efficacy: 91% of efficacy rate. Janssen, developed by Johnson and Johnson. Doses: 1 injections. Storage: 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Efficacy: 66% of efficacy rate. Nucleic acid or RNA type COVID-19 vaccine. Nucleic acid vaccine uses genetic material, either RNA or DNA, to provide the cells with the instruction to make the antigen. In the case of COVID-19, this is usually the viral spike protein. Once the genetic material gets into human cells, it uses our cell protein factories to make the antigen that will trigger an immune response. The advantage of such a vaccine are that they are easy to make and cheap. Since the antigen is produced inside our own cells and in large quantity, the immune cell should be strong. A downside, however, is that so far no DNA or RNA vaccine have been licensed for human use, which may cause more hurdles with regulatory approval. Additionally, RNA vaccines need to be kept at ultra-cold temperature, -70 degrees Celsius or lower, which could prove challenging for countries that don't have specialized cold storage equipment, particularly low and middle income countries. For now, there are two types of RNA type COVID-19 vaccines: BioNTech and Moderna. BioNTech, developed by Pfizer. Doses: 2 injection. Storage: -80 degree to -60 degrees Celsius for 6 months. 2 to 8 degrees Celsius for up to 5 days. Efficacy: 95% of efficacy rate. Moderna, developed by Moderna. Doses: 2 injections. Storage: 25 to -15 degrees Celsius for 6 months. 2 to 8 degrees Celsius for up to 30 days. Efficacy: 92% of efficacy rate. Protein subunits are protein-based type COVID-19 vaccines. Subunit vaccine uses piece of the pathogen, often fragments of protein, to trigger an immune response. Doing so minimizes the risk of side effects, but it also means the immune response may be weaker. This is why they often require adjuvant to help boost the immune response. An example of an existing subunit vaccine is hepatitis B vaccine. For now, there are only one type of RNA type COVID-19 vaccine, Novavax. Novavax developed by Novavax. Doses 1 injection. Storage 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Efficacy 90% of efficacy rate.
That's all from me now guys. I hope from this video you'd gain more knowledge, and if you like this video please give me a thumbs up and please put a comment below this video what other video you'd like me to cover so that I know what you're looking for, and please do share and subscribe to my channel for my friend Justin.